Hey friends, welcome to English with Nate. In this video, we will talk about the word toxic. We will answer 3 important questions. What does toxic mean? How do we use toxic in a sentence? And how do we pronounce the word toxic? The word toxic is an adjective, and there are 2 definitions that we will discuss. The first definition of toxic is poisonous. Toxic can mean poisonous. Example number 1. The building was filled with toxic materials. No one was allowed to enter. The building was filled with toxic materials. No one was allowed to enter. The second definition of toxic is very harmful or unpleasant. Toxic can also mean very harmful or unpleasant. Example number 2. Many people find themselves in toxic relationships. Many people find themselves in toxic relationships. They are in a relationship that's harmful or unpleasant. Let's practice pronouncing the word toxic. I will repeat the word 3 times. Repeat after me. Toxic. 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 Hey friend, I hope you don't think my videos are toxic. I hope that they're very pleasant and very helpful for you as you practice learning English. If they are helpful, click the like button and check out these recommended videos. I want to keep teaching you English so that we can keep learning together.